let's talk about question 3. So this program wants to uh, receive a number score from the user, and depending on the range, it will output the a letter grade, which is A, B, C, or F. Okay? Let's see how it is done. So it declares two variables. It's a input by the user. The score is input by the user. The grade is computed by us. So print underscore will scan the input and assign it to the score variable. Don't forget the ampersand here. All right. Depending on the value of the score, it will jump to certain cases. So if the score is 10, 9, or 8, it will jump to here. Okay. So if it's 10, 9, 8, the grade will be A. Okay. So if the score is 7 or 6, the grade will be B. If the case is 5, the grade is C. And by default, if it's otherwise, the grade will be F. Okay? So you see how it relates the range of the number with cases. So case 10, 9, 8 goes to the same thing. Case 7, case 6 goes to the same thing. Case 5 goes to the same thing. Okay? So the question says, what if the input is 12? What will be the output? So let's run the code by our mind. All right. So it's very simple. And then let's see, switch score. So score is 12. Is there a case called 12? No, right? There's no such a case called 12. So what does it do? It will jump to the default directly. So if the score is 12, the grade will be F, which doesn't make sense, right? The score 12, it should be A, okay? But there isn't any case which says 12, so it has to go to the default, okay? So we want to fix it, and we also want to replace the switch statements with an equivalent if statement. I guess you already know the answer. You can already think of the answer in your mind. It's like whenever if the score is larger than 8, then the grade is A. Okay? If the grade is smaller than 7 or larger than 6, smaller equal to 7, larger than equal to 6, the grade will be B. Okay? So on and so forth. Let's have a look at the answer. It's here. Okay. Oh, sorry, I just made a mistake. So so the maximum score should be 10. So 12 is an invalid score. All right. So let's see how the if else is done. So firstly, if the score larger than 8 and less than 10, we will assign grade A. Okay. And else if it's larger than or equal to 6 or smaller than or equal to 7, which is the range starting from 6 ending at 7 inclusively, the grade will be B. Okay, if the score is 5, or return C. Yeah, and otherwise the grade is F. Okay, so this is how it can be done in the if-else cases.